from a dirt floor to a space of comfort. In this video, we show how to install CDECK composite decking directly on soil in a simple, effective, and no-fuss way. The solution: Installation Type 3. A cross-structure of aluminium tubes and joists placed directly on the ground without drilling and height-adjustable thanks to CDECK plots. Perfect for raising the deck to the desired level. But before assembling the structure, it is essential to prepare the base. The first step is to compact and level the soil, creating a stable foundation. In this case, a homemade method is used, simple but effective. Next, a geotextile membrane is laid. It prevents weed growth and separates the soil from the structure. With the membrane in place, the structure assembly begins. Slabs are set down. Plots are placed on top, and aluminium tubes are laid across. The slabs create a solid base and distribute the load, preventing sinking. Some joists are also fixed to help define the perimeter and keep everything stable. As the structure takes shape, the level is checked and the height is adjusted. For the structure to work as a whole, cross connections between the aluminium tubes are needed. Full-length tubes alternate with cut tubes, creating crossing points. These crossings tie the tubes together, making the structure stable as one piece. Finally, a layer of gravel covers the whole area, helping to hold the geotextile in place and reducing the chance of weed growth. With the structure leveled, the remaining aluminium joists are fixed to the tubes. Whenever a joist crosses a tube, a screw is placed to ensure stability. And when two joists meet end to end, each one must also be fixed with a screw. With the structure ready, the deck board's installation begins. The terminal clips are fixed to the aluminium joists. And the first row of boards is secured. The boards are fixed using quick fix intermediate clips. Each clip is fitted with a rubber mallet. And to avoid longitudinal movement, the clip closest to the center is screwed, ensuring the material expands and contracts evenly, always returning to its original position and keeping all expansion joints aligned. Each board needs just one screw, and with the C-tool the correct 60-degree angle is ensured. The process is repeated with the following boards. With the C-tool, the gap between board ends is also ensured, essential for the natural expansion and contraction of the material. In some areas, quick-fix pro clips are also used, ideal to allow the individual removal of a board if access is needed to the underside of the deck. As with the intermediate clips, only one screw per board is needed, always in the clip closest to the center. And for a board to be removable in the future, pro clips must be applied on both sides of the board. With almost all boards in place, it's time to close the deck. Here, the aim is to finish with a full board. To achieve this, the aluminium joists at the edge are left slightly longer and at the end, cut to size. Once all boards are installed, the deck is complete. The project could stop here, but it is possible to give it a more refined finish. For this, CDECK fasteners are applied. An adhesive suitable for wood and PVC is used, applied continuously and abundantly to ensure adhesion. Then, the fasteners are aligned with the deck boards and pressed into place to bond. Once installed, it's not just a deck. It's a space of comfort, a place designed in detail, ready to enjoy. CDECK always has a solution that adapts to every space. And for more information, recommendations, or technical details, check the technical data sheet or our installation support videos.